Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to search for candidates from the candidate dashboard. The first I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter's employer account, which of course I've done right here. I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to search for candidates from the candidate dashboard. So from the left corner of your screen, I'd like you to head over to dashboard. So here you have post a job, dashboard, jobs, candidates, invite to apply, resume database, messages, help, and activate. So head over to dashboard, and once you click on dashboard, it's going to take you to the dashboard window, which we have here. So if you want to search for candidates from this dashboard, head over here to the top corner of your screen, and you see the search your candidate. So click on that and search your candidate. So let's say Mary is the name of a candidate. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to punch the enter key on my keyboard. And if you have Mary as a candidate, it's going to be displayed right here in this window. But it can't be displayed here because I cannot use the candidate feature. And why can I use the candidate feature? That's because I'm using the free version of Ziprecruiter. But if you want to add candidates, go ahead and click on this Stripe Premium for free. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to subscribe to the pro version of Ziprecruiter. So remember the process. After you have subscribed, head over to the top corner of your dashboard, your candidate dashboard. Click on search your candidate, enter your candidate's name, and it's going to pop up your candidate details. So whatever you want to do with that candidate, you're going to find it right there. You'll be able to do that. So this is how you can search for candidates right here from the candidate dashboard. It's pretty much simple. So of course, once you click on that candidate, you're going to find all of the features that you need. Let's say to get the candidate, to email, all the things that you can find using the main candidate window. You'll find it once you have searched for your candidate. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. So once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.